How would you feel if you can turn a YouTube channel into a license to print money? That's what YouTube cash cow channels are all about. In this video, I'm going to be showing you some awesome YouTube cash cow channels that can allow you to start earning Google AdSense revenue of $10, $20, and even $100 CPM. Just out of curiosity, if I can show you a way to earn $500 CPM on YouTube, will you watch this video all the way until the end? I'm sure you didn't know this about YouTube cash cow channels. They are not in the entertainment niche. The entertainment niche is not as profitable as many people believe. For example, take a look at Mr. Beast's channel Beast Reacts. Of course, Mr. Beast will make a lot of money from YouTube. This channel has 200 uploads and 113.797 million views in the previous 30 days, according to Social Blade. In fact, his YouTube channel has received over 2 billion views. Just imagine how much money Mr. Beast earns from Google AdSense from his 113 million monthly viewers. Write your guess in the comments section. Let's see who gets closest. Mr. Beast will have a low CPM because he's in the entertainment niche. If you've been following the channel for a while, you'll know that CPM stands for cost per mil, and it measures how much money a channel earns for every 1,000 monetized playbacks. The CPM in the entertainment niche is regrettably low, hovering around $2 every 1,000 monetized playbacks. That's why channels in the entertainment niche are considered YouTube cash cow channels. Just like in real life, there's no money to be made in entertainment on YouTube. Mr. Beast may earn $227,594 each month from this channel. Yes, I said that the entertainment niche is unprofitable. It's only that Mr. Beast has so many views that even at $2 per 1,000 monetized playbacks, he can still earn a very good living. Niche number 1, personal finance niche. So the first niche that I'd like to discuss is personal finance. Graham Stephan is frequently cited as the best example of the personal finance niche. I'm thinking of taking a different path. Proactive Thinker is a faceless cash cow channel on YouTube in the personal finance area. In the warmer months, the personal finance niche tends to slow down as people begin to spend more time outside to occupy themselves. However, in the last 30 days, this channel has received 1.752 million views. Because Proactive Thinker discusses the stock market, housing market, cryptocurrency, and all things personal finance, it's safe to assume that his CPM will be in the $40 to $60 area. Knowing this, we can estimate that Proactive Thinker generates between $70,000 and $105,000 every month. And that's just from AdSense. Now, let's go further into the data and look at some actual numbers from a finance channel. And to do so, we're going to use Baehez's video, How I Started the Highest Paid YouTube Channel. We can see the actual numbers of some YouTube videos if we scroll through, as you can see here. For example, Baehez generated $490,000 in Google AdSense revenue in 2020 while only uploading around once a week. Baehez demonstrates some of his revenue from actual YouTube videos. Let's start with this Forks video, which has a really great $40 CPM and a $27 RPM. RPM, or revenue per mil, is a Google measure that reflects how much money you've received per 1,000 video views. Ads, channel memberships, YouTube Premium revenue, Super Chat, and Super Stickers are among the revenue sources used to calculate RPM. So, at an RPM of $27, Baehez has made $71,000 from this video alone. This just goes to show why being in the personal finance niche is so exciting. He then discusses an Instagram video he made that is not related to personal finance. This is on the same channel by the same guy. The RPM has dropped all the way to $4, which isn't as spectacular. However, if we return to the e-commerce arena and the personal finance niche, we will see a $36 CPMs and a $30,000 expected income for this video. So it is the finance niche, which is number 5 and the 5th best niche to enter. Niche number 2, luxury niche. The luxury niche is the second YouTube cash cow channel idea we'll discuss. These are videos like the best homes and top watches, such as the biggest mansion in America from a faceless cash cow channel called Luxury Zone. To be honest, nobody knows what the CPM in the luxury niche is. The people who run those channels don't appear to be eager to discuss their pay. But I'm going to assume that the luxury niche produces the same amount of money as the Make Money Online niche. The Make Money Online niche earns between $60 to $110 for 1,000 monetized playbacks, and I'm assuming the luxury niche earns around the same amount. Remember, you heard it first here. So let's take a look at a medium-sized, faceless YouTube cash cow channel like Luxury Zone. You can certainly create a channel like this without showing your face, using your own voice, or generating any of your own videos. According to Social Blade, this channel has received 5.5 million views in the last 30 days. And now that we know the luxury niche has a CPM of $60 to $110 every 1,000 monetized playbacks, we can assume Luxury Zone earns $330,000 to $605,000 each month. That's up to twice what Mr. Beast makes with only 4% of the views. That is the power of a money-making YouTube channel. Niche number 3, make money online. Now, niche number 3 is one of my personal favorite niches, is pretty similar to the previous one. However, this is the make money online niche. This is specifically teaching people how to make money online. These videos have a lot of demand. These videos have a lot of views, and this niche has also a very, very high CPM. We know from our example in the luxury niche that make money online has a CPM of $60 to $110 per 1,000 monetized playbacks. One of my favorite channels from this niche that you may know is ODI Productions. This channel is literally the channel that got me interested in becoming a YouTuber, and the host Odie is a very cool guy. Now, here's an excellent example of a channel that's earning an amount of money the average person can see themselves reaching for. ODI Productions hasn't released a video in 8 months as of this writing. With that said, Social Blade says his channel still received 50,682 views in the past 30 days. Knowing this and knowing that Make Money Online has a CPM of $60 to $110 per 1,000 monetized playbacks, we can estimate that this channel is still making between $3,000 to $5,500 per month, even after not making any content since August 2021. In fact, that last video gained 219,000 views and was discussing top 6 WordPress alternatives. We can assume Odie made $13,000 from this video in Google AdSense alone. Once you factor in affiliate marketing, we're talking about perhaps as much as $284,000. I'll explain how that works when we get to niche number 5. Niche number 4, cryptocurrency. The crypto niche is the second and possibly the coolest and most exciting topic that I will address. This is a relatively new niche with a high CPM that is receiving a lot of attention. According to my own channels, the Bitcoin niche has a CPM of between $20 and $40 for every 1,000 monetized playbacks. We can tell via Allcoin Daily that these folks have a big crypto channel. According to Social Blade, they have 120 million views so far, with 1.926 million views in the last 30 days. Knowing a fair CPM range for a Bitcoin channel, we can estimate that this channel earns between $38,500 and $77,000 per month from Google AdSense alone. That may be up to $2,500 every day. So this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Niche number 5, technology. The last niche that I want to talk about is the tech niche. Now, I've been teasing at this for the whole video, so if you made it this far, leave me a hashtag made it in the comments section. The tech niche is a prime example of how you can do all of these niches without showing your face, using your own voice, or making your own videos. All the channels that use this technique are making an extreme amount of cash, in excess of $500 CPM. Let me show you how. Here, the channel Top Tech Now shows us TOP5, Best Laptops 2022. I wanted to show you a channel that wasn't at the pinnacle of the niche, so you know you can have this kind of success. So for this video, all the host does is simply download the videos from the actual advertisements of these products on Amazon. The companies who make and sell the products aren't going to mind. They are getting free advertising for that product. So the sell, if anything, they are actually happy that you are using these videos, and they are definitely not going to copyright strike you. All the host does is download these videos into a favorite editing software, adds a voiceover, and plays some soft music in the background. He does this while showing you the most affordable laptop, or the most powerful Windows or Apple laptop. Now, despite popular opinion, Google AdSense doesn't pay a substantial amount for videos in the tech niche. These videos have a CPM of anywhere between $3 to $6. But don't be discouraged, because if you do what I'm going to show you, your $3 to $6 CPM can increase 100 times pretty easily. If we go down to the description, you can see that the host has a bunch of affiliate links. If you click this is going to take you over to Amazon. So if a viewer chooses to purchase through these links, the host is going to earn a percentage of that sale. Now understand that Amazon Associates is a horrible way to monetize a channel, generally speaking. While other affiliate partnerships will offer even 50% commissions, Amazon Associates reaches a maximum of 5% commissions. However, I want to make clear that this is not regular affiliate marketing. The reason is the traffic is very, very hot. If you think about it, anybody who comes to watch a video of the top 5 best laptops of 2022, chances are they're going to be very, very interested in buying a laptop. So there is a very good chance that they are going to see, for example, top 5 best laptops 2022, see the affiliate link in the description, and click add to cart. Most people already have their credit card information on Amazon, so there's very little stopping them from buying once they've made the decision. If we take a look at this particular video, it has 38,000 views since January 2022. We can all agree that it's not a staggering amount of views and is achievable for anyone who puts their mind to it. So if we say that the CPM in the tech niche is $3 to $6, that makes the average CPM $4.50. This video will have made the channel $170 in Google AdSense revenue. However, a quick Google search will tell you that the average e-commerce sales conversion rate is conservatively estimated at 2%. That means that of these 38,000 views, we can estimate that 2% of viewers or 760 people made a purchase using the host's affiliate link. Amazon Associates offers a commission of 4% for office products such as computers. The Acer Swift 3 is the most cost-effective laptop featured in this video at $708. That means that at 4% commission, Amazon paid the host $28 for every laptop he sold. If 760 people bought the cheapest laptop advertised in this video, the host earned $21,523 in affiliate sales from this product. Considering that 38,000 people viewed the video, that means this video has an effective CPM of $566 per 1,000 views. Some of you may be aware that my channel is associated with Matt Parr. He provides a variety of secret growth tactics for making money online in 2022 using YouTube cash cow channels. If you're interested, you can find his 100% free course under the description. It shows you how to make up to $30,000 each month online, just like he does. If you enjoyed this video, then check out this video on your screen that I've selected just for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.